I want to show you a little bit about these mini sneakers. Just bought these and I just want to show you what they look like. They are so cute. You can see Minnie Mouse on the side. You can see the side of it just like this here. They are super cool and super cute, as she was telling me. And there she's right here. There's Minnie Mouse. And they light up when you walk. You can see how they light up. She loves that. And these are really cool shoes. So I have the back of it here with the Minnie Mouse logo from Disney. And I like the way they light up, actually. They're actually good for safety reasons, so I do like that a lot. Here's the back of it. And they're really nice, and they're Velcro, so easy access for the kids to take them on and off. So that's really important. I like that. And she can do them herself, and she absolutely loves these. And these are pink, as you can see here, and they're absolutely gorgeous. Minnie Mouse sneakers. They light up. You can see them one more time. Velcro, very cushiony. They got the back pull strap here to put them on. And they're just actually made quite well, actually. Considering I think this is a nice shoe. Definitely love the way it looks. It's sparkly. And definitely Minnie Mouse is the way to go.